In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator like never before. I'll walk you through the whole process to how to build a list of hundreds or thousands of your prospects who are experienced, who have the money and are ready to buy from you. Whether you have never heard of Sales Navigator or you are mildly experienced with Sales Navigator, I'll reveal some powerful techniques that on YouTube no one is talking about, and by the end of this video you will be able to run a successful Sales Navigator campaign. Like the other videos, I'll walk you through step by step how to build a hyper targeted lead list, and backed by my experience to run LinkedIn Sales Navigator campaigns. So if you like this video, that will be very helpful for me. So let's get started on LinkedIn. I'll move to my screen. So here I'm on my LinkedIn homepage. You will see a Sales Navigator button on the top right corner of your homepage. If you haven't purchased the Sales Navigator, it would show a icon or a purchase button. You can visit there. Choose the professional plan. It's about $79 per month. That is ideal for 90% of the users. Take advantage of 1 month free trial if you haven't used Sales Navigator or Premium earlier. Once inside, you'll see an onboarding screen like this with generic prompts. Don't spend much time on this. It's not crucial. Skip through the setup and get to the main advanced search page. Here is where the magic happens. The key to success in Sales Navigator campaign is how quality is your lead list. So that is what we are going to do today. Better your lead list, the better your messaging, the better your convergence rate will be. So it is very crucial to get that lead list very tailored. So I'm going to build a lead list. I'm taking audience of one of my clients, and I'll walk you through the process how I build my lead list and how you can do the same. So first you click on this advanced search and search for leads. Now we will use filters to narrow down whatever industry you are in, by location, by industry, and by job titles. So I'll click here and select the location USA, and industry software development, and job title I'll search for founders, CEOs, and more. You can explore and target the list from here. Whatever filters, whatever the audience you are looking for, apply those filters here. Try to make this list as small as possible. Let's say if I get 250 leads, if I get 50 leads, that's okay too. So the secret which I was talking about, that how you can build that hyper targeted list, is Boolean search. Now here in search bar, go and type in double inverted commas. Let's say I want to do for founder, and I'll apply or in double inverted commas CEO or CTO, and not recruiters, because I don't want to connect with recruiters or any other person. I want that decision makers only. So I'll apply that not whoever I don't want to include in my list. Let's say recruiters, let's say sales manager. So I'll not include those persons in my list. And you can also do this in your filters part too. If you want to exclude certain type of roles, you can exclude them here in the Sales Navigator. You search for their role and mark them exclude. This will save you a lot of time on wasting on thousands of leads. Instead of you have that perfect 250 people of 250 leads that are actually valuable and that they are likely to respond because they match to your ideal customer profile. So I hope this helps and you are able to build a good lead and run a successful campaign from here. And all the best. I'll see you in next video. If you found the value in this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post more about social media lead generation and marketing strategies. See you in the next video.